Write notes, so it's a little intimidating when everybody's looking at you, but I'm going to give it a shot. Haven't done it for a long time, but anyway, here goes. And so I'm going to dedicate this cattle call to Christopher Dirk. I don't have any potato peel or anything like that. So oh, that's a good idea. You think Chris should come on up here, and then you try to do the cattle call.
Candles.
We gotta clear your throat, we gotta be relaxed. This will be fun.
Okay, got it. Relaxed.
You can do it.
See if Becky